Most people in Chicago have no idea that the city's entire origin story begins with a man they've never heard of. A man whose legacy was nearly erased. His name was Baptiste Point du Sable, a black pioneer who built the very first permanent settlement on the land that would become Chicago. In the late 1700s, Du Sable arrived on the shores of Lake Michigan and established a thriving trading post. He built a large home, a mill, a workshop, and a bustling business that attracted traders from all across the region. He spoke multiple languages, negotiated with indigenous nations, and became one of the most respected figures in the area. But despite founding what would grow into America's third-largest city, his story was pushed aside for generations. His achievements were downplayed, ignored, or attributed to others. It wasn't until much later that historians dug through old records and realized the truth. Chicago exists because of him. Today, monuments and parks bear his name. But even now, many people still don't know who he was. How does the founder of Chicago become a forgotten chapter in his own city's history?